Welcome everybody to the cold start video. It is -6 Fahrenheit. I've got a 2006 Chevy 2500 with an LBZ Duramax. I run 5-weight 40 AMSOIL in this thing because I'm an AMSOIL dealer. I'll have to blow plugs it for a second. See what we get? It's pretty easy. I had all the blow plugs in place recently, so that helps too, but 210,000 miles, 688. Overall, very happy with the vehicle. It's been fantastic.